Hello, my name is Peter. I work for 123 Sheets. I'm going to show you how to make a self-employed ITSA Making Tax Digital quarterly submission. So we'll do that via our demo software. So I've arrived at the self-employment page on our website and I'm going to click on the Try Demo button. And here we can see that a page has been populated with information. There's nothing to actually enter here. This is just information that gets downloaded straight from HMRC. It's live data. In order to get this live data feed, you would set up an account with us, entering in your name and your national insurance number, phone number and email address. Once you've created an account, you insert your national insurance number and follow some on-screen prompts to authorize our software so that HMRC can send us the data. Once that's been completed, and if you ever log in, you'll just come to the to-do page. It shows you what's needed doing. We can see there's 3 quarterly submissions that need to be made, that HMRC are saying, and the reason why they are not saying there is 4 is because the first submission, if we go to the history page, has actually already been sent to HMRC. This is data from HMRC again showing that they have accepted this particular first quarter. You can go and view it or you can amend it. You can also go to the HMRC calculations tab and have a look at tax estimates that they have for you. You can have a look at that on the demo by yourself, so I won't be too concerned with looking at that right now. We just want to have a look at how to do a filing. So we'll do this second quarter. That's for the quarter 6th of July through to the 5th of October 2022, and it was due on the 5th of November 2022. Okay, let's go and make that submission. So we'll click on the file button. Now in this example we are dealing with a taxpayer who's invented their own spreadsheet, so they will need to get that to work with the 123 Sheets default filing template. So we're going to select this default spreadsheet option, the 123 Sheets default spreadsheet template. And in this example the turnover of the taxpayer is below 85,000, so therefore that means we can submit simplified expenses. And what that means is that instead of having to categorize all your expenses into different categories, you can just add them up without categorizing them and submit a total for the period of all the expenses. Okay, so we're now ready to make a submission. All we need to do now is to either drag and drop an Excel file here or choose it from the computer here. So let's go and have a look at the Excel spreadsheet, make sure it's ready to be accepted. So here we have an example spreadsheet where you can see the 123 Sheets filing template, and that's been inserted into a spreadsheet that the taxpayer has made up, where they've got some sales here for their quarter, and they've got some purchases here. They've also on their sales worksheet done a little profit summary, so they know what they're expecting to show on the 123 Sheets filing template of £8,817. And they've also decided that to try to sort of keep things all in one place, they have inserted our filing template into their existing bookkeeping spreadsheet. You don't have to do that, you can keep them separate as long as you're transposing the totals across using what HMRC calls a digital link. That's all perfect. Okay, so we highlight the sales income first, and we put an equal sign in there. Then we go to the sales worksheet, highlight the sales, and we just press enter. That's now transposed that sales figure across. And because the turnover is below 85,000, we can highlight this one box, which as we can see here, we can use for consolidated expenses, of putting all the expenses into one figure. So press equals there, go to the purchases, add up all the purchases, selecting that total there, and press enter. And in this example we don't have any disallowable expenses. We notice the profit is 8817, which was the same as what the taxpayer calculated in their bookkeeping. So that spreadsheet is now ready to go. So we go back to the website, and I'm going to go and select the file, that one, and upload the file. And we can see, oh yes, there's the profit I was expecting, 8,817. So I'll tick the confirmation box and I'll file that and send that to HMRC. And hopefully you can see how quick and easy that is to submit a return on our software. HMRC's server talks to our software and shows us what they've got. So if you wanted to see that submission, you click on the history tab and you'll be able to see the submission that you've sent to HMRC, that HMRC is then actually sending you back and showing on our software. Our software doesn't store returns or obligations. All of that data is just coming from HMRC. Okay, well, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you like what you see, yeah, do go ahead, sign up, and once HMRC has sorted out and opened up their software, then you'll be able to use it. Okay, thanks very much.